Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm here to talk about stock market per usual. Today, pretty bad day in the portfolio. We're down, a little bit over a percentage point right now, down $190. The portfolio has been growing well over the past, couple of years I've been investing, but today the main idea of this video, I kind of just wanted to go over the portfolio and what stocks I'm kind of buying heavily right now, what stocks I think you should be buying heavily right now and are going to make future millionaires. So today, first stock we're going to start. Well, before we get into that, guys, be sure to like the video. Also, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it a lot. If you guys would subscribe and you want to keep seeing this content, it helps me out a lot. We just hit 50 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Let's keep going. 100 next. And also comment down below what you guys want to see more of, what you want to see me talk about, what you want to see me go over. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first stock I want to talk about today is Amazon. This is a great one to buy right now. It is a, this is going to be a quick video. I kind of just want to talk about some great stocks that I think are at great prices right now. And I'm not really going to go that in depth on the stocks. I have more videos going a little bit deeper into why I'd buy these stocks. But first off, with Amazon, this is one I'd really want to buy right now. You can see how far it's dipped. This is a great company, amazing company. Historically, they're up, a great amount. This is a company that I'd be very happy to own at any price. The cheaper you can get them, the better. And right now, they're relatively cheap. They've dropped from their high this year almost, they've dropped almost, oh my gosh, they've dropped almost 30% from their high this year. That's pretty crazy. But yeah, guys, this is one that's definitely a really good one to buy. You guys know Amazon. Financials look great. The company's going in the amazing direction. Definitely a good one to buy at any price. Cheesecake Factory, very good one to buy right now. See, past 5 years, the stock's pretty flat. Up 135%. Not flat, but this past 4 year span, we'll call it, they're pretty flat. But past year, this stock is up 32%, an all-time, another great company. And this is one that you guys probably know, Cheesecake Factory. You've probably eaten there. It's a great restaurant. I love their food, but this one we're not buying for cheesecake. Although that is a great restaurant and we do actually get a 2% dividend yield right here, we're buying Cheesecake Factory because of their new and upcoming brands that are smaller. They're over, all across the U.S. They have concept brands with Fox Restaurants, and also they have a brand or a restaurant called Flower Child, which is almost like Chipotle. And then they also have another restaurant called North Italia, which is almost like Olive Garden, which is taking a lot of market share of Olive Garden. But the main one that I really want to focus on is Flower Child. I think that one's going to be really big over the next few years. So don't be surprised if there's a Flower Child in a city near you pretty soon. The next stock I want to talk about is SoFi. This is one that I think, is very attractive valuation. It dropped a lot from its high. I own this one pretty cheaply, $8.44. I've definitely averaged up since I bought it first at around $6, but this is a stock that's very cheap right now. It was at an all-time high of $18, and I think the 52-week high, it's $18.42. So this one's still up a lot, but it's also down a lot from its all-time high where you could have bought it. So I'm still up a good amount on this stock, but I'm still continuing to buy more. I want to build it in the portfolio. My main belief with this stock is that Wells Fargo and these bigger banks that your parents might have or your grandparents might go to, they have in-person bank tellers that you go to and you get your money, you cash it out, and that's great for the older generation. But SoFi's all online. You don't have to go in person. They don't have to pay for retail space. They don't have leases on buildings. You don't. All they have is an app and a few employees. They don't even have an insane amount of employees. They have 5,000. And that's not a lot of payroll compared to, let's see how many employees Wells Fargo has. They have almost, 217,000 employees. So there's a big difference right there. And I think that SoFi is attracting a lot of millennials. And as they grow older, their net worth is going to grow. And SoFi's assets under management is going to grow. And yeah, I think that it's, there's a good case for SoFi that it's going to be good over the next couple of years at least. And I think decades to come. SoFi is going to be a great stock. Celsius, this one rose, a good amount recently, actually, here in the past 3 months. It was trading at $21, hit a high of $32. I think it was at, well, we can't see right here, but I think it was at 33. I'm pretty sure, maybe 34. But the 52-week high is almost $100 for this stock. It's less than a third of the price it was at its 52-week high. I think that now is a great time to buy. This is a company whose growth rates were very high. They slowed down a little bit. They just acquired a new brand. I think there's very high upside for Celsius. Another company that had very high growth rates and started to slow down is Palantir. And we can see what's going on with that company now. They had these high growth rates. They slowed down, went from almost $35 to pretty much $7, $6. They were in the fives for a little bit, and now their 52-week high is $125. So that's, I mean, I'm not saying it's gonna be exactly the same as Palantir, but they're in a pretty similar boat. Nike, the swoosh, you guys probably know it. You might love it, you might hate it. I love the swoosh. I think Nike's a great company. They're in a very, very attractive valuation right now. They're up only 12% in the past 5 years. Past year, they're down 25%. All time, great company. You know, they've done great things. Their 52-week high is only $101 right now. And I have a good amount in this company. They pay 2% dividend yield. This is one I'm very happy to buy. I think they're a company that has a very, very wide economic moat, and Nike is not going anywhere. So I think that it's very attractive right now. Going to collect that dividend, and the stock price will continue to go up. Let's see, what other one do I want to talk about? There's two more right here that I talk about a lot. Elf and AMD. Elf, biggest makeup company in the world. Very attractive valuation right now. It was trading at over $200 just in June of 2024. 52-week high is almost $220. This is a stock that's priced very cheaply right now at $63. It's down 67, almost 68% in the past year. So this is a stock that's very cheap. It's almost a fourth the price as it was that it was at its all-time high. This is a stock that is pretty attractively valued right here. So I'd definitely buy this one. I think that it's way too cheap to ignore. They're beating earnings. You can see this. I think that that's going to continue. They're a great company. They're building more market share. This is a stock that's going to be very great over the next coming years. And then AMD, one I just made a video about, very in-depth, if you guys want to go back and watch that one. But this is a company that is the majority of my portfolio, 42% right here, almost 43. As it rises, I think that percentage point will grow. Have almost 60 shares of this one, and 52-week high of $187, almost $188. It's only at $100 right now. It was trading, under $100 for a little bit here. We can see right here its 52-week low was actually $94.73. Picking up shares right there is amazing, but even picking up shares right now when it's at $103, almost $104, I think you can't pass up this opportunity. This is a company with amazing opportunities in front of it. It's competing with NVIDIA, one of the largest the largest chip manufacturer in the world. They sell to all of the major corporations that have to expand their capex to keep up even and buy more NVIDIA chips over and over and over. There's no reason not to buy AMD. I think they're going to gain market share. They've acquired companies in spaces that are growing rapidly. AMD is a very attractive company at this valuation, and I think that they're a great one to buy on. I mean, as you guys have seen me go through the portfolio, you can see that there's a theme of buying great companies for cheap prices. This is one that's worked for me as I've been investing. I've made a good amount of money doing it, and I don't see that stopping anytime soon. And that's why I'm sharing it with you guys, because it works for me, and I think it can work for you. I want to share this knowledge with you guys and grow the portfolio along the way, grow our net worth. So yeah, that's my portfolio, guys. That's about it. I appreciate you for watching. I hope that you can invest in some of these stocks I showed you guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Be sure to like this one. Also subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content and want to continue to see more. And also comment down below what you guys want to see next, what you want to see a video on. I'd be very happy to make that for you guys. So I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and peace out.